So welcome back, guys. Now let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. So those of you that are yet to subscribe and you are new to this channel, you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button, guys. Click on the bell notification. You can also follow the channel and stay updated by clicking on the bell notification. So subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification. So once I drop an update, immediately and instantly you will get that update and you will not miss out on any single update. Now let's start with our trend on Euro GBP. Before we take a trade, we would want to know the trend for that trade, and we can clearly see that Euro GBP is a downtrend. So have it in mind that we have the main trend and we have the current trend. What is the main trend? Main trend says we are in an uptrend. So this is the main trend. So this is a full bigger picture, and position traders are the ones that will make use of this main trend, especially traders that would like to hold their position for the next 3 months to 6 months, right? They will want to make use of this trend because the very long term market is giving us that bullish hope and it will continue to push up, right? But because we are a day trader and we would want to see what markets will be doing for the day, which is on Friday, we would make use of our current trend. And the current trend says we are in a bearish move, which is trending down. Now, this is it here. If this is our low, here comes the lower high. Markets eventually drop to form a new lower low. This is the lower high. Markets eventually drop again to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high, right? Now, market has now dropped again to form a new lower low, and it did a lower high here. So, with this movement, should be expecting Euro GBP to drop again to form a new lower low. So, another drop to form a new lower low is what we will be expecting next on Euro GBP. So expect one more drop on our Euro GBP that will form a new lower low. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So if this is a multiple rejection level here, right? Market is rejecting from this level multiple times and it is dropping. Just in case if markets, I just want you guys to know, if market comes back to tap this resistance, your resistance level, sell, right? So just in case, I just want you guys to know, because there's possibility that once the market opens, if I want to start giving us that bullish move to come and test the resistance level, and if it does that and it tests the resistance level, all you just need to do next on your Euro GBP is to sell, take the sell. So above all, whatever you would want to be doing on Euro GBP, you would want to be selling. If there will be any changes to this our movement that we've predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button now.